We are here at EMO Hannover 2025. I'm here with Mr. Koopman at FANUC. Hello. I would like to first ask you, what is the main flagship product you are presenting here at EMO Hannover 2025?
Yeah, nice. Thank you for being here. Our main flagship product you will see directly behind me visualized. It's our latest edition of the FANUC series for the CNC. It's called the 500 AA, and it comes with improved processing performance, a new architecture allowing for higher performance, in combination as well with a new generation of servo drives, reducing energy consumption for our machine tool builders by 10 to 15%, which makes their customers more efficient in their production and more efficient on the market.
Our second question is, what separates FANUC from the competition? What makes you number one?
That's a good question. Besides our service promise, our lifelong spare part support and service support, our huge service network, we also have a lot of technical features. And I just pick out one which I personally like pretty much. Everyone is talking about digital twin, powerful digital twin. We have here an example how powerful the FANUC Digital Twin is. We have here our solution for surface estimation, where we can virtually on the digital twin see how the final surface of the product will look like. And we see here in the simulation a picture of scratches. And we put the original part here, and you will find the exact same scratches on the real part. So a very, very powerful feature, because we have a deep understanding of our technology and the operation of a machine tool. Just to name one specific highlight among a lot others you might see here.
Okay, you also mentioned that there was another thing that made FANUC special. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, we are also not only a CNC company, we also work in industrial automation. We are the leading manufacturer of industrial robots globally, and besides delivering automation solutions for our machine tool builders and so on, a big differentiating factor is we come from both worlds. So here we see a robot controlled by a CNC for an application which is used in an Airbus plant, where I can actually program the robot out of a CNC control. I don't need to learn robot language. I'm in my domain, and I can actually automate a process alongside a machine tool, or like here for a drilling application on a plane part.
All right, and as the final question, I'd like to ask you, what is FANUC's strategy in Europe right now?
Yeah, I would say we focus on our strengths and keep the things we're already doing well to the customer, supporting them with service, with spare parts, with excellent products, but also being locally present. So to be close to the customer, being close with local contact persons, with local engineers, and not only local salespeople, but service first. So everywhere we go, and every country also in Europe where we are strong in a service and technical support organization. 1/3 of our organization comes just out of service and technical support, and we will further push that. We are enhancing our local offices, we are enhancing our local capabilities to support our customer, to be strong, especially with our small, mid-sized local customers, to make them successful in the market.
All right, Mr. Koopman, thank you very much for your time.